Hello, FMites. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and doing your lessons very well. Stay home, stay safe. Myself, Sarama Johnson, your maths teacher. Today, we are going to discuss Standard 6 Mathematics, Chapter 7 Fractions. Learning sequence. A fraction, fraction on the number line, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, simplest form of a fraction, comparing fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. Let us learn about what is a fraction and why it is important. A fraction means a part of a whole, group or of a region. Here, a circle is divided into four equal parts. Why fractions are important? Fractions are important because they tell you what portion of a whole you need, have, or want. Fractions are used in telling time. Each minute is a fraction of the hour. Every fraction has a numerator and a denominator. Let us examine what 2 by 4 represents. In the fraction 2 by 4, 2 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. It represents 2 out of 4. Now, fraction on a number line. To show 3 by 4 on a number line, we first divide the line segment between 0 and 1 into 4 equal parts. The third mark from the origin represents 3 by 4. Let us learn about different types of fractions like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. Let us learn in detail. First, like fraction. Fractions with same denominators are called like fractions. Unlike fraction, fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Proper fraction. The fractions in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fractions. Improper fraction. The fractions in which the numerator is greater than the denominator are called improper fractions. Mixed fraction. The fractions which are combination of whole number and fraction are called mixed fractions. For example, 5 4 by 6. Here 5 is a whole number and 4 by 6 is a proper fraction. Equivalent fractions. If the numerator and denominator of a fraction are multiplied or divided by the same whole number, we get a fraction which is equivalent to given fraction. For example, here you can see 1 by 2, 2 by 4 and 4 by 8 are equivalent fractions. Now, let us learn how to find out the simplest form of a fraction. A fraction is said to be in simplest or lowest form if its numerator and denominator have only one as common factor. To find the equivalent fraction in the simplest form, divide the numerator and denominator by the HCF of numerator and denominator. Let us see one example. To find the simplest form of 6 by 36, we have to find out the HCF of 6 and 36. That is 6. Now we have to divide the numerator and denominator by 6. We get 6 by 36 divided by 6 by 6 is equal to 1 by 6. Now the simplest form of 6 by 36 is 1 by 6. Our next topic is comparing fractions. Let us learn how to compare fractions with the same denominator, that is like fractions. Here you can see all the denominators are same. So you have to look at the numerator. Greater the numerator, greater is the fraction. Comparing fractions with different numerators and denominators. That is unlike fractions. Fractions with different numerators and denominators will be converted first into like fractions and then compared. Steps are as follows. Find the LCM of denominators. Convert the given fractions to equivalent fractions with denominators. Let us see one example. Compare 1 by 2 and 3 by 4. Here you have to find out the LCM of the denominators, that is 2 and 4. LCM is equal to 4. Now you can make the denominator equal to 4. Now let us solve. First 1 by 2. To get 4 as the denominator, we have to multiply 2 by 2. Therefore, numerator 1 should also be multiplied by 2. So, 1 by 2 into 2 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. The same way, to get 4 as the denominator, we have to multiply 4 by 1. 3 also you have to multiply by 1. We get 3 by 4. Now you can compare. 3 by 4 is greater than 2 by 4. So, 3 by 4 is greater than 1 by 2. Now, let us learn addition and subtraction of fractions. How to add or subtract like fractions. Like fractions means same denominators. In this case, we have to only add or subtract the numerators. Now, addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. In this case, you have to find out the LCM of the denominators. Then we have to convert that into like fractions. Then you can add or subtract the numerator. I hope you all are clear about fractions on the number line, types of fractions, equivalent fractions, simplest form of a fraction, comparing fractions, addition and subtraction of fractions. Hope we will meet soon. Thank you and have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe.